AR, VR, XR technologies are susceptible to bias. Bias can creep into the design and development process in various ways, leading to unfair or discriminatory outcomes for certain groups of users. This can manifest in the data used to train algorithms, the design choices made by developers, or the lack of representation in the development team itself. Addressing bias is crucial for creating equitable and inclusive AR, VR, XR experiences. Sources and types of bias in AR, VR, XR. Data. Bias. If the data used to train algorithms is not representative of the diversity of the user population, the algorithm may perform poorly for specific groups. For example, facial recognition systems trained primarily on images of white faces may be less accurate for people of color. Algorithmic bias. Even with diverse data, algorithms can still exhibit bias due to the way they are designed or the assumptions they make. Design bias. Design choices, such as the representation of avatars or the types of interactions supported, can reflect designers' biases. Team bias. A lack of diversity in the development team can lead to a narrow perspective and the unintentional exclusion of specific user groups. Interaction bias. This can occur when the interaction design favors certain users over others. For example, a VR game that requires fast reflexes may disadvantage older users or users with specific disabilities. Strategies for mitigating bias. Diversify data sets. Use diverse and representative data sets for training algorithms, ensuring they reflect user demographics and characteristics. Audit algorithms. Regularly audit algorithms for bias, using fairness metrics and adversarial testing techniques. Inclusive design practices. Involve diverse users in the design process, gather feedback, and iterate on designs to address potential biases. Diverse development teams. Build diverse development teams that represent a range of backgrounds, perspectives, and experiences. Transparency and explainability. Explain the potential for bias in algorithmic systems and how decisions are made. User feedback mechanisms. Provide channels for users to report bias and discrimination and respond to feedback promptly and effectively. Mitigating bias is an ongoing process that requires constant vigilance and a commitment to fairness and equity. It's not about eliminating bias, which may be impossible, but about minimizing its harmful effects and creating more inclusive AR, VR, XR experiences.